when it comes to upgrading your Nintex for Office 365 workflows. Nintex Workflow Cloud provides a centralized place to manage those workflows in your environment. Let's begin by looking at monitoring and alerting. The state of every workflow needs to be monitored for performance and other issues that may impede the ability for a workflow instance to complete. Nintex Workflow Cloud has an instances area where you can monitor and review alerts that affect your running instances for all deployed workflows. In the example on my screen, I'll filter the list to find any workflow instances that have failed. Notice that there are a few in the list. If you would like to get detailed information about any of these workflow instances, you can click on the instance name to open the instance details page. This page shows details about when the workflow instance was initiated, its status, and even when it finished. In this example, we have a failed instance, so if we want to find out more about where it failed, we can go down to the Instance Activities section and see the history and status of each activity in the workflow at a granular level. If you have an issue you need help with, you can move back up and click on the Create Support Ticket button, which will take you directly to that form with associated information, and you can add more detail as needed. When designers publish a workflow to the Nintex Workflow Cloud environment, they will now be able to assign users to the business owner's role for that workflow. This role gives its members the ability to review metrics for workflows they have a vested interest in, over in the My Nintex area under Workflow Tracking. Notice the dashboard view detailing metrics for this workflow here. By clicking on the name of a workflow instance, the business owner will be able to review even more details in the activity feed, as shown on my screen. Continuing on with My Nintex. In this area, users have a central place in the dashboard where they can review the status of their form submissions, quickly access favorite forms, and edit form submissions that have been saved as drafts. Also, if your users are participants in a workflow, they can come here to the Tasks area and work on all tasks assigned to them from one location. If active tasks are not appearing on the dashboard, users can always access the full task list to quickly filter on all their open tasks. When you're ready to begin upgrading workflows, the Nintex Upgrade Center has your back. We have built an upgrade tool and integrated it into the Nintex workflow for Office 365 SharePoint app. The goal of this tool is to provide you with an easy way to upgrade and map workflows from Nintex for Office 365 to Nintex Workflow Cloud. Keep in mind, in some cases, you may need to review and make changes to some configuration settings for actions and start events beyond what the tool can do. To help with that, the Upgrade tool will provide guidance to ensure your workflows are configured correctly after the upgrade. For additional resources and information, be sure to go to the Nintex community at community.nintex.com, where you can open the group's menu and select Upgrade Center. In here, we have various options to choose from that are all meant to help you with your upgrade experience. You can post questions in the forum. You can look up information in the How-To section. This provides multiple videos and articles detailing the upgrade steps for various actions and scenarios you may encounter in your upgrade journey. Please be sure to review the resources section as well, where you will find links to upgrade training at Nintex University, help documentation, and much more.